My walking tour began in the historic Place d'Armes, right in front of the magnificent Notre Dame Cathedral.
We are in Montreal, Quebec, and we're in front of the Notre Dame Cathedral. We're going to go inside and we'll show you some wonderful neo-Gothic architecture.
Across the square from Notre Dame is the Bank of Montreal, Canada's oldest bank building, dating back to 1847. Its grand neoclassical architecture, with towering columns, a vaulted dome, and a temple-like facade, gives it a timeless charm.
Also, I want to show you something that I've never seen before. Canadian money. Look at this. It's not this way, it's this way. Isn't that interesting? I've never seen that.
A short walk away, I arrived at the Museum of Illusions. This place bends reality with over 70 interactive exhibits, inviting you to question what you see. For lunch, I went to Chinatown. I stopped by Pho Bang New York restaurant, famous for its rich, fragrant pho, some of the best Vietnamese flavors this side of Saigon. On the way back to my hotel, I strolled along Avenue Viger in the Ville-Marie neighborhood. With its tall buildings, wide sidewalks, and lively atmosphere, it's truly a walker's paradise. Finally, there's St. Catherine Street, where Montreal's vibrant nightlife comes alive, offering something unique around every corner. Montreal is a city that invites you to explore. Please subscribe and be sure to smash that bell.